Welcome back to the channel. If you are on a mission to get without breaking the bank, you are in the right place. Today we are showcasing the top 7 budget-friendly exercise bikes perfect for home use, whether you are looking for a compact solution for your small space or something versatile and easy to store. We have got you covered. Let's dive into these top picks that won't stretch your budget but will definitely help you achieve your fitness goals. First up, we have the YSSOA folding pedal exercise bike. This model stands out for its compact folding design, making it ideal for home use where space is at a premium. When not in use, it folds neatly to be stored away, a major plus for those with limited room. The bike features adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to customize your workout intensity according to your fitness level and goals. Constructed with a steady frame, the YSSOA bike offers reliable durability despite its lightweight design. It's equipped with a digital display that tracks your time, speed, distance and calories burned, providing you with the essential metrics to monitor your progress. The pedals come with adjustable straps to ensure a secure fit during workouts, enhancing your overall experience. The bike is also designed with a comfortable padded seat that adjusts to accommodate various user heights, contributing to a more ergonomic workout. Its smooth pedal motion and quiet operation make it suitable for home use even if you are sharing space with others. The YSSOA folding pedal exercise bike combines affordability with functionality, making it a great choice for those new to fitness or looking to maintain their routine at home.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next, we have the Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser. This compact yet versatile exerciser is perfect for those who want to stay active while walking or watching TV. Its design allows it to fit neatly under most desks or tables, providing a convenient way to engage in low-impact exercise throughout the day. The pedal exerciser features a user-friendly interface with adjustable resistance settings. This allows you to increase or decrease the intensity of your workout, catering to both beginner and advanced fitness levels. The non-slip pedals and steady base ensure stability during use, reducing the risk of accidents and providing a more secure exercise experience. Designed for ease of use, the Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser is lightweight and easy to move, making it simple to transition between different locations. Its compact size makes it an excellent choice for small spaces where traditional exercise equipment might not fit. While it may not offer the high resistance levels of more advanced bikes, it provides a practical and cost-effective solution for those looking to integrate more movement into their daily routine. Coming in at number 3, we have the MERACH Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser. Similar to other Underdesk models, this exerciser is designed to provide a convenient workout option for those with limited space. What sets the MERACH model apart is its robust construction and adjustable resistance levels, offering a more tailored exercise experience. The MERACH exerciser is equipped with a digital monitor that tracks key workout metrics such as time, speed, distance and calories burned. The feature is particularly useful for users who want to monitor their progress and stay motivated. The adjustable pedal resistance allows for a customizable workout, making it suitable for users at various fitness levels. The bike is built with a solid frame and non-slip feet, ensuring stability during use. It also features ergonomic pedals with adjustable straps, providing a secure fit and enhancing overall comfort. The compact design of the MERACH Underdesk Bike Pedal Exerciser makes it a practical choice for home use, offering a balance of functionality and affordability. Its durability and performance make it a standard option for those seeking a reliable exercise solution in a compact form. Number 4 is the LINBOLUSA Indoor Foldable Exercise Bike. This model is designed for versatility and convenience, featuring a foldable frame that makes it easy to store when not in use. The LINBOLUSA bike offers adjustable resistance settings, allowing users to modify the intensity of their workouts to meet their individual fitness goals. The bike includes a comfortable, adjustable seat that can be positioned to suit different user heights, providing a more personalized exercise experience. It also features a digital monitor that displays essential workout information such as time, distance, speed, and calories burned. This helps you keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Constructed with a steady and durable frame, the LINBOLUSA bike is built to withstand regular use while maintaining stability. The smooth pedal motion ensures a quiet workout, making it ideal for use in shared living spaces. The foldable design and compact size makes it an excellent choice for home fitness enthusiasts who need an effective and space-saving exercise solution. Next on our list is the Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike. This bike combines affordability with functionality, featuring a foldable design that makes it easy to store when not in use. It is equipped with adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to customize their workouts to match their fitness levels and goals. The Pooboo bike includes a comfortable padded seat that adjusts to accommodate various user heights, enhancing the overall workout experience. The digital display provides real-time feedback on key metrics such as time, distance, speed, and calories burned, helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. Built with a durable frame, the Pooboo folding exercise bike is designed to offer stability and reliability during workouts. The smooth and quiet pedal motion makes it suitable for home use, ensuring minimal disruption to others in your household. The bike's compact foldable design is perfect for those who need a space-saving solution for their home fitness routine. Next up at number 6, we have the XTERRA Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. This model stands out for its combination of durability, comfort and affordability. The XTERRA Fitness Bike features a foldable frame, allowing for easy storage and saving valuable space in your home. The bike includes a multi-function LCD monitor that tracks time, speed, distance and calories burned. This monitor is essential for keeping track of your progress and making adjustments to your workout routine as needed. The XTERRA Fitness Bike also offers adjustable resistance levels, providing a customizable workout experience suitable for various fitness levels. With a comfortable, adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, the XTERRA Fitness Bike ensures a comfortable ride. Its steady frame and smooth pedal motion provides a stable and quiet workout, making it an excellent choice for home use. The bike's foldable design and overall functionality make it a great option for those seeking a reliable and space-efficient exercise solution. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Caromix Folding Exercise Bike. This model is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a foldable frame that makes it easy to store and move. The Caromix bike offers adjustable resistance levels, allowing users to tailor their workouts to their specific needs. The bike includes a comfortable padded seat that can be adjusted to different heights, ensuring a personalized fit. The digital display provides essential workout information including time, distance, speed and calories burned, helping you monitor your progress effectively. Constructed with a durable and stable frame, the Caromix bike delivers a smooth and quiet workout experience. Its foldable design and compact size makes it an ideal choice for home fitness enthusiasts who need an effective and space-saving exercise solution. The Caromix folding exercise bike combines affordability with functionality, making it a valuable addition to any home gym. And there you have it, our top 7 budget exercise bikes for home use. Each of these options offers a unique set of features and benefits, making them great choices for anyone looking to stay fit without spending a fortune. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reviews and fitness tips. Share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.